Even the tyres. They don't look that bad though, do they?
The tyres are alright, probably. The rubber's probably a bit old. No-ish. But they'll pump up alright. It just needs closeness to the car and pump. Right.
That's interesting.
So,
yeah.
The handbrake doesn't do anything anyway because the brake's no good here.
Right.
Just squirt a bit of this in there and see. See this, right?
Yeah.
It's supposed to push it in and that goes in and out.
Right.
But that would be the accelerator.
Right.
So actually it needs a nut on there to hold it so that when you move that, but that doesn't move.
Yeah.
This is all something on here. That's a stop.
Okay.
I think it probably just needs dismantling, and it's like here, got a fuel filter there.
Right.
This thing, it's probably totally bunged up. That could all be taken apart and cleaned.
Right.
Probably with some good effect.
Yeah.
And so on and so on. Bit of care and attention as well.
Bit of care and attention. Yeah. Well, it's been here neglected for 20 bloody years, Jazz.
What's this? What's this on it? Yeah.